the wolf in the story. So then tell me. In your opinion, would you call it kindness to wish that someone you know would disappear? Or hypocrisy? Look at you. Trembling. Hearing my voice, it even scares you.
Just tell me what it is you want. I can't make it out.
You know why most fairy tales end happily ever after? So we learn that certain things can stay the same, Nika.
But we're not the same, you see. You know we left Grave.
You're grasping for this happy ending.